Hey, how you doing? This is a question. Would it be possible, or do you think it's a good idea to, because the basement level, so this is, let's say this is a ground level, would it make sense for them to dig, so not the front, but like they would drive and go down, so that it could be exactly 9 meters, or even the homes can go back to the 3 meters and you dig more deeper where you have a basement level. Let me know if this is a good idea or is not, that wouldn't work. Okay, for the location plan, the only adjustment you have to make, you see how you have the wall? This actually is the road. The people that they bought the land from was very scammy, I would say, but they actually use their land in the road, so their setbacks is a bit weird, but actually the road should, the wall I mean should be either on this line, or maybe it can go, or maybe they just have a wall on the side and no wall in the front. So a wall in the side, the back, and none on in the front. Yeah? So I wouldn't, if you could take this out, it would be good. Because I think the only way they could put it is on this line here. Yeah? Good. Thank you for the delivery. One thing I wanted to ask, once everything is good, if you could put everything in one file, one PDF, so that when I send it to print, everything prints, boom. Not that I have to click print for one, click print for next one, but everything is in one PDF. Yeah? But you can go ahead, your process. I think you said the next part will be these. And then once we do that, then we make one file with all of the, yeah. Thank you.